Dude, you guys, this is so freaking nasty. I don't think I was ready for this, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, BrittanyBearMakeup here. For those of you guys who are new, then welcome. So today's video is gonna be so exciting because I went on Amazon and I found myself a microscope. We are gonna be taking a closer look into my skin. So I've seen so many videos like this in the past where I was like, you know what? I wanna do this myself. I wanna see what's really going on underneath all of this. But to bump it up a notch, I'm also gonna be using these two masks right here. So this is a charcoal paper mask. I got it at Target. And this is going to supposedly take away all my impurities and kind of like rip them out of my face. I'm pretty sure you guys are also familiar with charcoal pore strips from BIORE, and I'm so excited to see what we can actually extract from my nose today. So before I get into these masks, I kind of want to just take a look at my skin and see like where it's at by itself. Let's cut the chit chat and let's get straight to what my face looks like under a microscope.
You are now rocking with
Brittany, bitch.
I'm gonna start with my cheeks. I'm very curious to see like what it looks like. So as you can see, I have a lot of like blonde hairs, which I didn't even realize I had. Although guys, you can honestly see how damaged and dry my skin is. Okay, so I'm gonna move on from the cheek and I'm very curious to see what I have going on my nose. Oh my God, guys, do you see all of those like little white heads? Oh my God, this is so good. Okay, so this is a side that I never really am able to get just because it's like weird to pop zits that way. So I already know there's gonna be more on this side. Oh my God. What in the world? Literally my skin looks like it's made out of like gelatin. Do we see all these little holes I have going on in my nose? What in the world is that? That is like some serious damaged skin. I didn't even know I had that. It's so crazy because I'm looking at my face right now and I don't notice any of these things. You guys, this skin is so damaged. Oh my God. What in the heck is this? It's like a hole of like dry, dead skin. And there's so many hairs. Oh Lord. You guys, do we see these blackheads? Or whiteheads or whatever they are. Okay, so I just nared my mustache and I'm very curious to see if it's still there. So let's go ahead and take a closer look. I legit have a mustache. I have like a 5 o'clock shadow working its way back into my face right now. Oh, hell no. I don't think I was ready for this, guys. I don't think I was ready to see what really goes on in my skin. This is like so scary. Let's look at my eyebrows. There's literally like blackheads in between my eyebrow hairs. What is this? You guys could actually see the Benefit brow gel that I put in my eyebrows just like clinging on. I want to look at my mole. So I have a mole right here. I'm very curious to know what a mole looks like. What the heck? You guys, it literally looks like a pocket of like brown jelly. And there's like a hair coming out of my mole. Oh my God, this is so freaking fun. I cannot wait to put on the masks and like peel them away and see. I'm getting excited. Okay, now the next part of this video is going to be really cool because now that we've kind of seen what we're working with, we're gonna try these charcoal masks. I've always used these and I've always wondered, like, does it
actually work?
I never really see a lot going on the paper, but maybe under a microscope we might discover something brand new and revolutionary. So let's give it a try. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this charcoal mask. So here's what it looks like, I believe, like once it's nice and open. Okay, this is like so sticky and wet. Oh Lord. I cut off the nose part and I'm just gonna place this on my head. It's like so wet. I thought this charcoal mask would be like not wet, but apparently it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this on. I'm gonna grab the BIORE strip and I'm gonna place this bad boy on my nose. I love these things. Like honestly, I'm kind of obsessed with BIORE strips. So let me properly place it. And my nail just fell off. We'll just Pretend that never happened. Okay, Rare Fam, so basically I've been wearing this mask for a solid like 15 to 20 minutes, and this was garbage. Like, this mask that was supposed to be charcoal and to be peeled and have all this amazing toxic stuff come out of my face failed me. It's like not even sticking to my skin. So obviously nothing's gonna come off this one, so I'm just gonna, don't waste your money, guys. Don't waste your money. All right, guys, so I had to get Ozzy to come in because this action is just, it's too poppin'. We need to make sure that we capture this because I'm having a heart attack here and I have the shakiest hand of life. So I'm gonna have him hold the microscope while I peel the BIORE strip off. Oh my God, do you see all that? Do you see the one that's getting, oh my God, that was so freaking good. All right, hold on, let's try to focus it a little better because I feel like I could get like a better view. Oh my God, oh my God. They're literally getting pulled out of me. Oh, do you see all these? Baby, can we do you next?
No, thank you.
Honestly, this is freaking... Wait, we left one. Do you see it? Oh my God. Oh,
Yeah.
did you see it? Dude. Holy freaking... You guys, if you're obsessed with acne like I am and seeing it come out of you, this is probably like a birthday present from me to you. Oh my God, you missed, baby, you moved it right when it was coming out. Holy freaking crap, guys. Oh no, that one got lost. Oh my God, hold on, guys. A little intermission. Holy freaking crap. Look at how many you see. You guys, I literally don't even know what to say. We're on to the next side. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, do you see this one coming out?
Ew, that huge one right there?
Dude, did you see
That
that?
is disgusting right there.
Oh my God,
You say
guys.
I have bad skin, really? For all you people to say that Brittany has
Yeah,
good
for all the
skin?
people that say I have perfect skin, now you know that is far from a lie. My skin is dry, crusty, and there is definitely some little freaking worms hiding in it. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God! Did you see that one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God, Bear Fam. Oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God. You can literally see them like pulling out of my nose. This is literally my new obsession. Bear Fam, I'm literally mind boggled. Like, I don't even have words for what I just saw. That was the best thing I've ever seen in my life, honestly. But let's look at this freaking strip. Like, hi whiteheads. Like, literally my BIORE strip is filled with whiteheads right now. So this just goes to show, guys, when you're always like, what is your skin routine? Your skin looks so good. Hello guys, I literally have tons and tons. But do we see my nose after? Like, I'm not even gonna lie, guys, this is freaking insane. You can just tell, like, so many of my whiteheads have come out. This is not even sponsored, but hello BIORE strips. They honestly worked so well. I'm very curious to see if like I squeeze my nose and a couple of them come up, how it looks on camera. So let me go ahead and do that and see if any, oh yeah. No, I still have a ton. Let me show you guys what this looks like. I went ahead and squeezed. Oh my God, this is what it looks like when I squeezed my nose. That is so freaking gross. I can't. Let me do the other side real quick. Oh my God, guys, I have so many left behind. Clearly I need a facial. That's just what I need. That's them after I went ahead and squeezed them out. Like, what? Dude, you guys, this is so freaking nasty. Holy crap. I'm just mind boggled. Like, obviously I still have the mask on my face, guys, but this is probably the most incredible video I've ever filmed. Like, can we just talk about this? You can just see all of the whiteheads that my BIORE strip took off, and to see that on a microscope and to see them coming out of the pores, that was insane. insane. I honestly can't believe that this much junk was in my face. I'm gonna close out today's video. I'm gonna go give myself like a deep cleansing facial right now because after seeing this, I think I'm traumatized for quite some time now. With that being said, guys, I want to give a huge post notification shout out to my girl, Nika Ciafoni. Thank you so much for having your post notifications on. If you guys want your post notification shout out, all you guys gotta do is turn them on and then comment when done. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and as always, guys, hit that subscribe button, and I will see all of my bear family in the next video. Bye, guys.